That's an interesting statue. A big one. So we're heading to this trail that's right outside of the museum, and we're just gonna kind of look around. And then also look for a place to either get something to drink, like a smoothie. Oh! You put your hat. You want hat? A good amount of energy is.
He's just happy not to be at home.
Right.
Home for a while. Hat time, Mason.
It reminds me of those hats that they wear in like the Korean dramas, you know, like the Crown Prince and those like historical dramas. Yeah, these houses look like they'd be so peaceful and so quiet to live here. Oh, I see the park. That one over there you're talking about? Look at the little boat. Oh, I wish I could get him one of these for our backyard. I think he'd love it. Good job. Back to the house. And they go, row, row, row your boat.
That's a caterpillar. That's an ant. That's a ladybug.
We're gonna grab something to eat. I think that park was really nice. I wish we had one near our house. There's so much to do and Mason didn't want to leave. Yeah, so we're just gonna probably get like bubble tea or something and then get food. Bubble tea? Mason just said bubble tea. Oh my gosh.
Should I get him a downer?
No. They have the Yakult one. Or did you want something different?
I think by the time we paint everything, it'll be closed.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I guess because it's Sunday, so everything closes early.
At 5, yeah. Wants to draw. He's so excited.
Oh, do you like this one, Mason? I have one.
Okay.
Like a dump truck. Oh, okay. Oh, look, they have the thing that you...
You can either pick that or you can either get these. I feel like you already got a lot of these.
Yeah, you have so many. Those are cool, Mason. We're on our way home from Fort Collins. We ate at a restaurant that was really good, and we stopped by a toy store because we always have to pick up something for Mason. Yeah, we're about like 15 minutes away from home. So yeah, it was a good day. I'm glad we went. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, please remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.